While we have you, which is new fallout from a controversial Supreme Court ruling that gives police nationwide the okay to collect DNA swabs from those under arrest, not convicted, just under arrest. Is that fair? Trace Gallagher live in L.A. Trace?
And you know, Justice Sam Alito, Megyn, called this the most important criminal procedural case the court has seen in decades. The court came down 5-4 on this one, saying yes, that they can use a swab to get your DNA from people arrested but not convicted of a serious felony. Liberal Justice Stephen Breyer sided with conservatives. Justice Anthony Kennedy wrote for the majority, saying this was all about reasonableness, saying, quote, taking and analyzing a cheek swab of the arrestee's DNA is like fingerprinting and photographing, a legitimate police booking procedure that is reasonable under the Fourth Amendment. Well, Justice Antonin Scalia issued a scathing dissent, saying, again, quoting here, because of today's decision, your DNA can be taken and entered into a national database if you are ever arrested, rightly or wrongly or for whatever reason. This will solve some extra crimes, to be sure, but so would taking your DNA whenever you fly on an airplane. Clearly, as you might imagine, the ACLU not happy about the ruling. Listen.
This is not about identifying somebody who's committed a crime or been at the scene of a crime. This basically is to create a database that they can use for all kinds of purposes.
By the way, 26 states already use that swab to collect DNA. That only for felonies. They upload it to the national database. There was a case of Alonzo J. King. He was convicted and connected by the swab for a rape back in 2003. His conviction, though, was tossed out because the Maryland Supreme Court ruled that police need a warrant and reason to suspect him of a crime before they take his DNA. As you might know, Megyn, the court has been inundated with these rights and technology cases in recent years. They're getting to them one by one.
Wow. Another reason not to get arrested. Trace, thank you.
Okay.